In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send to back and bring forward in Google Docs. This feature can be incredibly useful when you're trying to create visually appealing documents that include text and images. Whether you're designing a flyer or simply trying to better organize the layout of your document, adjusting the layering of your content can make a big difference. Let's get started. The first step is to insert an image into your Google Docs. Head over to the menu and click on Insert. When you hover over Image, you'll see several options: upload from computer, drive, photos, camera, or even by URL. You could also search for images directly on the web, right from this interface. In my case, I'm selecting Upload from computer, which is a straightforward method if you have the image saved locally. So I'll go ahead and select the image I want to insert and click Open to upload it to the document. Once you have your image inserted into the document, the next step involves creating a text box that you might want to position in relation to this image. To do this, navigate back to the Insert menu, but this time click on Drawing and select New. This brings up the drawing interface where you can craft your text box. Simply click on the text box icon, create your text box, and type in the text you wish to have. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Close to insert this drawing into your document. Now you'll have both your image and your text box within the document. To adjust their layering, click on the text box that you just created. At the bottom of the interface, you'll notice several options, including in front of text and behind text. These options are pivotal in deciding whether your text sits over the image or beneath it. For our demonstration, I'll choose in front of text first. By selecting this and pasting it over the image, you can see how the text box becomes visible on top of the image. This is particularly useful if the text needs to be prominent or clearly readable. If you instead want the text to sit behind an image, simply select Behind Text. Doing this will make the text disappear from view, as it will now be layered beneath the image. If you ever need to revert this and bring your text forward once again, you can always select In Front of Text to bring it back on top of the image. And that's how you can easily manipulate the layering of text and images in Google Docs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please feel free to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips like this one.